I promise you, this is the best way to trade fair value gaps. So once you have a fair value gap, your only trick now is to wait for the 1 minute to come into this zone, right? So if we continue to play price on, you are looking to use the power of three indicator, right? So this is the 4 hour power of three. Let's change the settings. Once you have the 4 hour power of three, your simple job as a trader is to just wait for price to come below the 10 a.m. open and then buy, right? But I'm going to be really honest. The market has been kicking my ass in January because we had this price action over here. Look at how rangy this price action is, right? Price retested here, came down and retested again, right? So the only way you can get away with this kind of trading is to simply wait for a break and retest. So we can see here price broke and retested the area. So I would comfortably place my stop loss down here. Now the question I often get from traders is where do you target in the markets, right? Despite having horrible price action, where do you target as a trader? It's a good question, right? So let's quickly go over where you target, right? So if you look here on the markets, we have the previous day high. The previous day high is the best place you want to be placing your targets, right? So the markets always spool towards previous day highs after sweeping out previous day lows, right? So we can kind of trade this all the way up to that previous day high, right? So let's just continue to see how price plays up. And then of course we have a bullish kind of expansion over here, right? But I want to make it very clear to traders the only reason, the only thing you need to catch trades is a 15-minute fair value gap. You want to be buying below 10 a.m. Eastern and you want to be using order flow at this level.